Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two different products and help you decide which one is better suited for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. The AKIKI Cleaner Kit has a pen-shaped design and is portable, which makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. The wireless earbuds, on the other hand, have an ergonomically designed shape to fit comfortably in your ears during long use. They also come with 3 different sizes of soft ear tips to fit 99% of the contours of the ear canal. The wireless earbuds have upgraded battery life with up to 60 hours of total listening time. Each earbud can be used for 5 hours on one charge, and the charging case can provide extra 5 times the full charge. The AKIKI Cleaner Kit does not have a battery. The wireless earbuds have the latest speaker technology, providing clear sound quality for talking and listening to music, while the AKIKI Cleaner Kit is designed to clean the small parts and holes of the earbuds and cannot be used for listening to music. The AKIKI Cleaner Kit is compatible with most Bluetooth earbuds on the market and can also clean other electronic devices like phones and camera lenses. The wireless earbuds are compatible with any device with Bluetooth capabilities. The AKIKI Cleaner Kit is priced at $7, while the wireless earbuds are priced at $25. The wireless earbuds are more expensive but offer a lot more features like longer battery life, touch control, and water resistance. That's all for today's comparison. We hope you found this helpful in making your choice between the two products. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.